Hello, thanks for having me. I'm Bestman by name. Today I'll be walking you through how to set up, measure, and tie a manual machine's belt. I feel very excited to share this knowledge. So if you're feeling like I'm feeling, join me. Let's hit the stage together. Okay, now I'm in for the business of the day. I'm gonna be lifting the machine up from the ground onto the board. Some little things you may see here may seem unnecessary, but they are really important. So you have to take note. With my left hand, I pick the machine up and place it right there. There are two holes right behind the machine. You can see as I'm pointing at them. This one is the first hole. Yeah, that's the first hole. Then the other one there, that's the second hole. These are the holes the lever on the body goes into so that the machine head will gain balance on the board. These are the levers I talked about. I don't actually know their true name, but you just have to let them go inside the machine head simultaneously. I'll be placing the machine in its true position. But before I proceed, I think I also have to show you something else. These places I'm pointing at are the places that you need to be applying oil on, say once or twice in a month, for optimum performance and noise reduction, depending on how busy the machine gets. They are like joints, you can find them when you turn the machine upside down. You can also apply oil in this area too. Now remember the hose and the levers. It's now time to engage them so that the machine head can sit firmly. I lift up the machine head and place it in a position on the board. Then with my right hand, I will insert the levers in its right positions. You have to insert the levers while stay slightly on the air before balancing the machine on the board. Okay, it's now time to place the belt or the rope as the case may be. Remember that you must use a rope that can stretch and retract 98 to 100% to its former state. And you need a quarter to half inch thick rope or belt. Look at it more closely. As I folded it into two, I measured 28 inches. That should be 56 in full length. It's now time to put in the rope. You have to start from the machine board. The rope should not go through the machine neck at this stage yet. I think you need to pay more attention because it can get tricky here. One end of the rope will pass through the machine board, coming down to the leg. As you're doing that, remember that you must hold firm the other end of the rope so that you don't draw it inside. You can use anything for that. Just don't let it go inside. When the belt drop on the machine leg, then you let it through the belt guide across the bandway, just as I'm doing it. Then after that, you let it through the belt shifter, bringing it up into the machine board. And then onto the board. Here comes the both end of the rope. We made it! There are actually different ways to do this, to bring the rope or the belt together. One by tying it in a cloth, then by stitching it with the machine head, and then by binding it with a thread. In this video, I'm using the first option, which is more popular. In my subsequent videos, I'll be talking about the last two. You have to tie the rope once and make it strong. Then you cut up the excess at the tip. At this point, I get the rope across the machine head. There's a sharp cutout on the wheel that is intentionally made to pick up the belt or rope when you rotate it like I'm doing. Just do I'm doing it right now. See right there. That's where the belt will be hooked to. Then you cannot wind it. Then supporting it with your legs. And that's it. If you want to remove the rope or the belt, maybe you want to do some adjustment or take away the machine head, all you need to do is to pull the belt shifter. Then the rope will be disengaged from the wheel. Yeah, just like that. And to connect it back, you just place your hand by the wheel and pedal the machine. Alright friends, this is how far we can go on this video. Thank you for staying up to this moment. I believe you are able to learn one or two things from this tutorial. And for any questions and suggestions, please leave your comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Catch you on the next one.